For every business, creating a logo, banners like this, or the posters, or we can say snippets, okay, posters, okay, like these posters, or video templates, presentation, letterheads, visiting cards, okay, brochures, and book covers, creating ads. These will be very important to marketing purpose and for the promotion of the business purpose. For that, you need to have a knowledge of the Photoshop. In case to create a logo or to create a banner, ads, and all, we need to have a knowledge of the. We need to have a Photoshop knowledge, right? Instead of, if you are not good in a Photoshop, then what else we can use? Which alternative we can use for that one? We have a one software, one app is there, that is nothing but a Canva. Okay, the app is there, that is nothing but a Canva. Okay, there is a Canva app is there. We have to go to Canva. Here the first option it comes canva.com. Click on that Canva. Okay, here you can create n number of the, you can create a n number of the post, like an Instagram post, social media post, okay, reports you can generate, posters you can create for Facebook, players, nothing but a brochures, cards, visiting cards, something like that. The video stories, logo you can create. Like this, we can create a n number of the activities within a this particular Canva. First, we will set up, we will sign up for this one. In the sense, we will first time user. Then what we will do? We'll sign up. Okay, all the activities, what are things you haven't done, it will be stored in a your account itself. First, we'll create an account by sign up here. Sign up. We'll sign up with a Google. For everywhere, I will sign up with a Google so that it will be easy to remember all the user ID and password. It will be your Google account only. So we'll sign up with a Google. It is asking which Google account you would like to use. I will say this particular account I would like to use. Immediately it will create a, okay, account. It is asking that do you teacher, student, or what type of a person you are. We'll say we are in a small business. We'll say maybe later, because it will ask to try for a pre 30 days free trial is there. Some of the advanced images, these things you can get. All other things you can do, only the few things you will not be able to do in a pre version. We'll tell you that what are the things you need to be paid, what are the things we need to be paid. We'll say maybe later. We'll skip the tour and we'll say we'll create ourselves. So it is asking for what type of the design you would like to create. The start with the which design you would like to start with. Okay, we'll say that first I would like to create a logo. So it started to creating a logo. Okay, the first time user, it will give the guides, you can close down that. Okay, here if you go to the home tab, close this one, you can see that what are the things so far you have been done, that is the recommended for you. These are the things they have been recommendation, their recommendation. And if you designed anything, it will be there in all designs. If you haven't shared, anyone shared with you, those things will be here. Okay, if you have a brand kit, you can use this one for a branding. If you like to delete, you can delete whatever the things you have been deleted, it will be there in this particular folder. Okay, first we will go to a recommended for you and we'll check what are the things you can be done. Here it is given, all the templates are available here itself. Okay, you can use directly from this one, or we can start create a design. in a home tab we can start create a design. By selecting a create design, we will start creating a design. We'll start creating a design from a logo till letterhead. We will going through, okay, one by one we will cover up in a coming videos.